You wish to have complete control over your video wall and all connected sources? IVIS presents Icon, the prime wall management solution on the market, a development made in Germany. Icon is the ideal software complement to IVIS display solutions. The comprehensive functions for presentation and control of all sources present in the system enable you to use your video wall with optimal efficiency. The user-friendly interface of the Icon software provides a clearly presented list of the available sources and a preview of the layout on the video wall. Arrange your content easily with drag and drop and change at liberty the size and position of the images on your video wall. You can choose between predefined layouts or configure the preset of your wall layout yourself. Icon is the central controlling element in your system. With it, you can manage all the workstations in the network, analog and digital camera signals, your original software and video sources. With Icon, you can directly access a variety of content and sources in your network, present these on your video wall or distribute them within the network. Depending on the particular version, Icon can be accessed by a different number of users who can be assigned individual user rights. The alarm management function of Icon allows communications from other systems to be received. Via TCP/IP, ODBC and RS-232, all current network protocols are recognized by Icon and can be linked to reactions of your system. The open software architecture allows the integration of the functionality of the Icon interface and programming in systems or applications of other providers. It is possible to use the comprehensive API to start streams, applications or video window configurations, to switch the module of your video wall on and off, or to receive status information in case of any malfunction. Icon also assumes control of the connected display components. Icon is available in 3 different versions, Light, Basic and Premium. The functional capacity of the software can be extended by extra optional modules according to customer requirements. We guarantee that with Icon, your options with regard to presentation, administration and control of your data and resources are boundless. The intuitive user interface, the versatile alarm management and the flexible interfaces are far superior to those of other software solutions. Control any number of camera signals from your surveillance system, various process charts, diverse software windows, all at the same time, and even present these on several different video walls. Icon is in operation worldwide in power stations, network operation centers, security centers or computer centers, wherever optimal functionality is required. Acquire a product from us and rely in future on our outstanding service and support. IVIS, perfect visual solutions.